Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Localsend. Alright, so first up, make sure that all of your devices got Localsend, or make sure that both of your devices got Localsend. As you can see here, my Windows PC got Localsend, my Samsung device got Localsend as well. So after that, say for example, you wanted to send some files from your computer to your phone, well, just go ahead over to send right here. Okay, click on send. Now go ahead and select a file right here. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and select this blank photo right here. I'm going to click on open, and here we have it. You can add in as many as you want. And then once that's done, go ahead and find the other device's name. As you can see, the name of this Samsung phone for Localsend is Powerful Tomato. Here we have it. I'm just going to click on it. And then once that's done, I'm going to click on accept. Once done, click on done. Done right here, and you're all good. On your phone, just go ahead over to recents, and here we have the file. Now, let's say you cannot find, all right, your other devices from the list, other nearby devices. So what do we do? Make sure that all of your devices or both devices are connected to the same exact Wi-Fi connection. All right. Again, your PC is connected to the for example, Wi-Fi 1, your phone as well should be connected to Wi-Fi 1. And then after that, just hit on refresh right here, refresh, and it should pop up. That is how you connect Localsend. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.